Hi guys, welcome to the next episode of Every Minute is Precious series. Today we are going to be looking at an important histological image of a patient who's going to be suffering from a condition given the name of typical pneumonia. This patient is classically going to be having the presence of a high grade fever. He's going to be having the presence of cough with sputum, that is productive cough, and he's going to be having the presence of other manifestations which may include the presence of a pleuritic pain. On examination, patient may be having, along with the findings of pneumonia, he could be having the presence of pleural effusion. Now, when you look at the histological finding of this patient, you would find that the air spaces of this patient is actually filled up of lots and lots of polymorphonuclear leukocytes. So you are having the presence of alveoli which are containing exudate, and they are going to be having the presence of white blood cells. Therefore, whenever a question is asked on the exam regarding typical pneumonia, one of the hallmark features of typical pneumonia is the presence of alveolar exudate. Along with that, you would be having the presence of infiltration caused by the white blood cells. Now, once you have understood that, just try to answer that question and give me the answer in the comment section below. Which of the following is an example of a catalase negative gram-positive cocci bacteria which can be having the following finding as has been shown in the image to you. See you soon.